I am here.
Holy shit! Oh no! God help! God help! It's gone, it's gone.
Oh, goes third, third!
And you give me strength when I am weak. You are the one who lifts me up. And you are the way, you are the truth.
Oh! You just gave him a haircut!
And you find a place and stay, we gon' make a little press. So what you thinking? I think that sounds like a plan. Never persevere when you hopping on a plane. All I need is one chance. Punch and prove that means and you feel no fear.
Yeah, had a couple more.
Thank you. That's your art come down.
I've listened to you guys on radio.
And all I have is regret. And how can I face you when I keep turning away?
No doubts in. Ooh.
Hey! If you know, sing along, let's go. Hey!
It could get real weird, but it's how we like it. I'm hustling today. I'm trying to get out of here. We're good. They're gonna call a break until they find the person.
Again?
Well, they're trying to look for that Emily person, so they're just gonna call everybody out until. All right. Oh, it's fair.
One-handed.
Yeah, you were like. "Grr."
Oh, hey, hey.
He's out. Are you all right?
Third base, that counted.
Yeah, that counts. Dodgeball rules.
Third base, that was so dirty.
Dodgeball rules.
I'm not smelling your bracelet.
Oh! That's gone. That's gone. Forget it. That's a walk off.
This caterpillar is booking it. This is just for reference, but you know it was a good first day at Alive when your voice is like 80% gone when you wake up. This is awesome. Oh, there's no logo on that side. Okay, that was a fail.
Awkward.
I'm gonna pretend that never happened.
So,
Shortcut?
This way, yes.
Yeah, so we don't have to walk up the entire hill. Yeah, boy.
We'll get to it later.
Okay.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah.
Me and my wife gonna have some kids. Right now we just practicing. Told you man, quit acting man. They gonna hurt my average. I said, thank God I ain't average. Yeah. I'm a bright young man. Kill the GPA and the PPM. Man, we on 10. So say what you say, cause that's A with Lecrae. From the A straight to the A, I'm coming in hot. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No beer, I feel like pot. I shoot the shot. 1, 2, 3, quit.
Walmart bags, Walmart bags. Break your arm, you got a sling. You can tote it around your bowling ball, broken glass and rags. I do not know how I would do without my Walmart bag. Some folks in California, they don't get what they're worth. They say they're killing the environment and damaging the earth. They want us to use paper, canvas, hemp, or something green, but these baggies are the only thing that I'm recycling. Walmart bags, it'll do anything you ask it. You can use it as a carry-on or a picnic basket, a raincoat for your Pomeranian, or a hamster casket. Some of y'all have done that, don't you, Jim? I'm so very grateful for the miracle of plastic. Use it for a lunchbox, backpack, shower cap, hacky sack, gym kit, oven mitt, whatever you need from it. Take a trick-or-treating when you want candy. Use it as a tissue when one ain't handy. Hide your cash, put your trash, seed your case, second base, line your boots, poop or scoop. Go ahead, it's waterproof, and I expect when you stub your toe or a parachute for your G.I. Joe. Walmart bags, CrossFit Cup or when you play capture the flag. If you collect too many of them, put them in a Walmart bag.
This is Justin's first time on a vlog. Yeah, we were just down at the beach stage to see Social Club Misfits, and they had a travel issue, so we went to the wood stage to try and watch John Chris, realizing that basically he was already done. So we're going back to the beach stage to either see Graceful Closure or Social Club Misfits.
We'll see.
Well, we don't know. It's a surprise at this point. By the way, my voice is pretty much back. Like, I woke up, it's just gone. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, Red took a toll.
I haven't listened to much Red at all, actually, but
My favorite band. We can't talk anymore. What social media did we say we were going to shout you out on?
I don't know.
I think you said like Instagram, Snapchat.
All of them?
All of them?
It's like finding my forever wife.
Yeah, right. Like I'm gonna find that on a YouTube channel.
You never know.
Why are we so close to my face?
Weirder things have happened. There was a baby born in a bathroom at Chick-fil-A.
Is that a woman? Eyes. You got nice eyes.
Thank you, I've been told that.
Flooding your senses with
tired.
Same. Not really.
It's how we like it.
now.